Are you running a small business but not sure how to track what's actually making money? Copilot in Excel can help get you started. I'm Christine from Microsoft. Let's jump in. I recently started a small side business renting out backyard movie night kits. And while I love the creative side of it, I'm not exactly a finance expert. I want a simple way to track sales and see which packages are performing the best. So in Excel, I'll ask Copilot, create a P&L template to track sales for my backyard movie night kit business underneath the stars company, include gross margin and net profit by item, highlight a space for top 3 performers, and add a weekly special plan. Use estimates to show how it works. In seconds, Copilot builds me a structured template I can start using right away. This is a super simple way I can start better understanding what's working in my business. Like and subscribe for more smart ways to use Copilot.